Hi beauty babes, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for coming back. If this is your very first time checking me out, welcome. My name is Yusra and I would love if you could consider subscribing just right down there so you can be part of the beauty squad. And don't forget to hit that bell notification so you can be notified every single time that I upload. So in this video, I did a speed up ramp of this look and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, or if you want me to go back to doing the chit chat ones, then go ahead and let me know. Just leave me a comment right down there and let's just jump into the video.